Oksana, co-founder of Bloom. Bloom is an AI platform for dietitians and clinics to help their patients finally stick to their diets. Today, 85% of the patients fail from their diets within the first month. Dietitians can improve this, but it costs them up to 20 hours of unpaid time, and still half of the patients never finish their diets till the end. We want to change it. We help patients to follow their diets and improve their adherence rate and therapy outcomes through to B2B SaaS platform for dietitians, nutritionists, doctors engaged to the diet therapy process, and clinics. We believe that we can save up their time and help to grow their business. We are launching Bloom this September with the first early adopters and 2 clinics in Europe. We are actively looking for partners among hospitals, clinics, and medical centers, and also private doctors who are interested in their nutrition care, to make pilots, tests, and see how technology works with their patients. Welcome everyone who wants to join us on this way. Let's make diets great again.